we're outside our main building. That is our VF2 showing up right there. It's the tarp in the middle. She's underneath that. There she is right there. Anyway, let's go unload it. We just got it unhooked. It's off the pallet now, so now we're not off the pallet. It's unbolted from the pallet, so now we can go ahead and pick this thing up and carry it inside the building. Man, isn't it beautiful? This thing is awesome. Some people, midlife crisis, they buy a high-performance sports car. Instead, I bought a mill. Mill comes in, and we opened up this back area in the shop, turned this into our machine shop area. That's actually where the first Meltec mill was many years ago. But this will be good, have it in here, and I just gotta be able to swing that, bring the whole mill in and be able to put it right whoop, there. Can't have iron on steel. Hey, mill's in. Sitting on its pads. Full feet for now. We'll put it on skates and we're gonna move it around to get it to fit. Okay, the mill's in its spot right now where we left it the other day. We've had some delays waiting for our skates to come in. The skates we purchased actually haven't even arrived yet. Skates allow us to move a big heavy piece of equipment around. They're pretty cool. You put a lot of weight on them and they got little mechanical iron treads basically on the bottom of them around. You can see two of the skates down there right now. We'll lift the mill up with a toe jack, which is a special bottle jack that's got a lower lift so it can get underneath something really low. We'll put the skates underneath there. We're going to arrange them in a circle and then rotate the mill around so we can push it back into its spot where we're going to keep it. So we'll do that now.